Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add tags in ClickUp. So this one is really simple and straightforward, so I will show you right now how to do it. I will go over to my project 2 since I have task 1 right here. In order to add tags to this task, I will have to click right here to select this task. As you can see, this bottom line will appear where it says one task selected, and you have to go all the way right here where it says tags. Click on it, and now as you can see, you can search for tags or create a new one. So I will create a new one and press enter to create it. Now as you can see, the tag has been added for task 1. It is really simple. This is how you add tags in ClickUp. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.